today we are going to be doing a slime video, but it's going to be a challenge with one hand that you don't use. Put this on your hand. We're going to be doing a slime video, and it's going to be fluffy slime. So no butter slime, no cloud slime, just fluffy slime. And we're going to have a challenge and do it with one hand. So we already got the glue in the container. So yeah, and we got our borax, which needs to be mixed up, and our mixing tools. You already mixed it. So, and our mixing tools are spatulas, and then we got our colors we want. I got some purplish, pinkish, and she got some pink. Yeah. So then we got our shaving cream. So the challenge is that you would want to use one hand that you don't write with, that you don't use. So. What hand do you not write with? My right hand. So we are going to be using, she's going to use her left and I'm going to use my right. So it's going to be pretty challenging. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first going to do our color. And put your hand behind your back. Yeah, here, I need to get in the video. Just like halfway. Wait, here. Yeah. Wait, aren't we supposed to put, no. And we're not going to put too much because one of my slimes has too much. You put a lot. Yeah. Just saying. And it gets all over your hands. Okay. So then you would want to put the, I don't want to put too much. Wait, mix the color up first. Okay, yeah, I want to see what color it turns just to see. This is hard. This is hard. Oh my god, I really need my right hand. Oh my god. I need a hand holding the container. Just like, it's fine. I want to use this hand that I need. I have this light pink. As you can see, it's drifting to the bottom. No. You want to switch? Let's just switch hands. Okay, so I'm going to, no, that has to be a challenge. And we have to do it for the, hey, we're going to do it for you guys. Okay, so here, let's switch because I don't really like my color. You want to switch? Mine is too dark. I want to switch hands. Yeah, you could put some of that light. Well, let's just switch, please. Fine. Then we can make another slime after this. Yeah. Okay, so we switched colors. Okay, so now we have our hands that we write with now. So I'm gonna put. I don't have my hand that I write with. I'm gonna do it for you guys. So I don't have the hand that I write with. No, because we're doing it for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna put some more paint in mine. Oh my God. Changed our color, so mine is light. This looks so thick. Let me like. No. I was like, no, I don't want the color to be changed. I don't want. So this is very light. I'm gonna put some more. Hey, put your hand behind your back. Yeah, no, I'm just like spotting. Put the hand that you write with me. Okay, let me just like hold it like that. So as you can see, do you think I should mix with this spoon? Should we like? Okay. Isn't this cheating? Yeah, it's not cheating. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to put my borax in it. Okay. Wait, no, shaving cream in the borax. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to put my... Yeah, can I put first because I already had the shaving cream. So we're going to put the shaving cream in. Wait. Shake it up first. Here, shake it up. Okay, now can you put it in mine because I already put the borax in? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm going to put mine. Oh yeah, once you put the shaving cream in, it kind of lightens up. Yeah, so when you put the shaving cream in, it will probably turn like this color or something, I don't know. Yeah, mine's going to be really light. Yeah, it's really pretty. So if we want to mix, we're probably going to mix with our right hand just for a little because it's going to take forever for this video. So yeah, the mixing part's going to be harder. And if the color's too light, we can change it. Like hers is getting way lighter. Yeah. So, and if it's not too thick, we're gonna put a little bit more shaving cream in it. But we're gonna make sure not to put too much because
my slime's ready.
I have another fluffy slime.
My slime's ready. Mine's like that way.
Wait, let me get towels.
Oh my god, why does it look so dark in the camera?
Wait, don't get it out. I'm gonna get towels.
So guys, as you can see, I'm actually gonna use my right hand because it's easy. It's like a little bit harder for me with my.
Okay, I got some towels because this table is very unique.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I really hope this will turn out good because for half the time you use the hand, we don't. Oh, this is not.
I know.
Like, yeah. Yeah, I need to mix it.
I'm gonna put some more of my dye in it.
Here,
Yeah, let's make sure not to get it on the shirt.
So I'm using my right hand, as you can see. I'm just mixing.
Oh,
and you can use the hand that you write with to hold it like under.
And put some more. Wait, you put a lot of shaving cream in that? Well,
You put a lot of shaving cream in it.
So I'm gonna put some more shaving cream because mine's not as thick.
It's okay if it's not thick. Okay, I think I should take it out now.
This is all the shaving cream. Well, maybe all the shaving. Yeah, this is all the shaving cream.
Oh my, this is sticky. I feel like I should put more borax in it.
Yeah, put more borax in it.
Okay, but can I get a little spoon?
Or you can just pour a little in there.
I don't really want to do that because
you can put too much.
You put a lot of borax.
See, look, it's not so it's kind of forming. I mean, sort of, but at the same time, it's not.
Okay. So
I can tell it's getting thicker.
Yeah, mine's actually. I think it's gonna be a little. No, it's not gonna be stretchy at all because this challenge went way too far to my right hand. So yes, so this is my slime, guys. So yes, this is a really weird color in the camera, but look how light that is. You should have kept your slime. And yours is so. You can just put a drop of that in.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some of this in because I like her color now.
Yeah,
it's
fine. It's fine. We could switch again. Wow, you put a lot. You put a lot.
Yeah.
So this slime, my slime. That's all the slime I need. That's the rest of my slime.
Yeah, don't get it on the table. This is probably turning into a really bad color since I put some more. Since I should have put that color in,
we could just switch again. So as you can see, I'm done with my slime. It feels like I put too much borax. I said borax.
Okay, well, let's just. Okay, you have
the same color as me. All you have to do is keep on mixing.
I know. Can we switch?
Okay, I'll just start doing what you're doing.
So I'm sorry, guys. It may not be a challenge to you guys, but yeah, I put a lot of shaving cream in this.
Oh, but don't worry, guys, because we're gonna have another video.
Yeah, another slime video,
literally right after this one. So please
be on the lookout for it.
Yes, because right after this one we're gonna get ready.
But in that video, we don't know what slime we're going to make or what the name is gonna be, so we can't tell you guys that.
Well, we were gonna show them the slimes. Wow. I once dealt with this kind of slime before. It's fine. I gotta do.
That's a lot. This is barely any.
Don't you have eye contact solution?
Look at her slime, guys. I'm trying to put some more borax in it.
Yeah, can you do that? Because you have my slime. Okay, I want my slime back.
Well, it's mine.
Actually,
yeah.
Yeah.
So
This might be a very long video because...
Oh, I love that, my slime.
It's mine to start out with.
No, you just...
Did you hear that? This one's actually really stretchy and really nice.
Yeah, exactly, because I make the best slime tea.
Me
I
too.
never want to leave this.
Me too. Remember that the
Pink fluffy slime I made?
no, remember the butter slime I made that I showed you and you really liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the slime I personally made.
Oh, and I really like the slime you bought.
So yeah, I'm just gonna keep playing with this while she tries to fix it. Don't worry, you can watch your hands. Wait. So we're gonna help each other because friends help. Wait, okay. Okay, wait. We should have a song to this because it's not working out. So, yeah, let's put some more of this
Just a
in.
little bit, just like, you know.
Like,
get
keep
that in
putting
there.
some more.
Oh my god, no, don't put that much. Or it's gonna be so hard. Once you want this back, it's not gonna come back. I'm just kidding, it's definitely gonna come back. Like,
No, it's not.
you can have it. And now it's not sticky at all. But now I can't get off my hands.
This is going to be my sign forever.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. The color. Can't you change the color to dark? Because this was my sign to start out with.
Yeah, because you made that color, and then I actually made it slime. You just made the color.
Okay. But I'm still keeping it. Okay.
Whatever.
So,
So this is her slime. It's really stretchy.
so yeah, let me see that slime right now. Wait, I'm just going to feel it, okay? I'm just going to feel it now.
Can I feel my slime?
Okay, so this is my
Should
slime
we
now.
mix it? Wait, should
We can mix it, and then we can, like, half it.
Yeah. Okay, ready? We're gonna mix it in this video. We only have like.
We already did it.
You're like,
Okay, so
wait, how did that get darker?
okay, so we're gonna
Wait, I wanna mix it in shit.
okay. Wait, let's do.
It's a really pretty color.
Oh my goodness, but it's not as much. I mean, like.
That clicked so well. We're the slime masters. Go.
Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you
Look
guys
at
this.
Lillian's videos, please.
Yeah.
Well, her name is Look at Lillian's videos, so.
Okay. You can just wash
guys,
your hands
please
after.
like if you really do like this video and comment down below if
Yeah.
you love the color.
So
And-
here it is. So it's like one of the best
And
colors
if you
ever.
haven't subscribed
Not
yet,
the best color
please
ever.
subscribe.
Okay, so we're gonna do we're gonna crack it.
Wait, hold on. No, I want to fill. Can I please fill?
Yeah, and then we're
Here,
gonna
I
have
want
it.
to. Let's make a bubble like.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So
we're gonna make a
thank
bubble.
you for watching
Yeah.
this video. And please, I hope you enjoyed. So
Bye.
please watch this video again, and goodbye.